Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a September favorites video. So some of these products I've been using for months now. I've just been trying them out, and some of them I just got recently, like at the end of August, and I've been loving them, so I wanted to share those with you. And yeah, make sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and if you want to see my September favorites, then just keep on watching. I feel like a lot of my favorites this month are mostly body care and skincare because I haven't really bought too much makeup recently, so I don't really have any new favorites. I've just been using the makeup that I have. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So we're just gonna start off with the body care and then the skincare, and then we'll do makeup. I don't have a ton of products, but yeah, I just thought I would mention them. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is this OLEHENRIKSEN Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. I love this cleanser. I feel like it's really, obviously it's good for oily skin. It's good for acne prone skin. It has green fusion complex, neem seed oil, and AHAs. Really been loving this. This is like my second or third tube of this. I love it. I use it every single day. Every single night I use this, even if I'm not wearing makeup, or if I am. I feel like it's really nice and gentle, but it also really helps to balance out my oily skin and to help with acne. I'm not saying it clears my acne, but I feel like it doesn't break me out, and it just really cleans my skin. So yeah, I really love this one. Obviously it's my second or third. I think it's my second. I could be wrong, but I love this. I love most of the stuff from OLEHENRIKSEN, especially in this green line, because it's more targeted for oily, acne prone skin. So yeah, if you're looking for a good cleanser and you have oily skin that tends to be acne prone, then I think that you would really like this one. I think it's my new favorite cleanser. Okay, and then the next cleanser is actually the the Philosophy Purity Made Simple. Is it Philosophy or Purity? I don't know. The Philosophy One Step Facial Cleanser. I love to use this one to take off my makeup. I don't use this one to actually cleanse my skin. I like to use it to really take off my makeup. I do the double cleanse method. So if you don't know what that is, you just go in with like a cleanser to kind of break down the makeup and take off your makeup. And then you go in with another cleanser, which is normally what I use for this. So I'll go in with this one first, and then I'll go in with this one because this one's a lot more gentle. And it's actually made to, I think this one is actually for makeup removal. Deep cleans pores, eliminates makeup buildup, hydrates as it melts away makeup, contains deep cleansing agents, natural oil extracts to help condition the skin. So yeah, I feel like if you have dry skin, oily skin, whatever, you're really gonna like this one. If you have dry skin, it is hydrating enough that it's not gonna dry you out. And if you have oily skin, it's not greasy, it's not oily, it's just really gonna help to melt down the makeup. I'm not someone who loves cleansing balms. I just feel like this is so much easier, so much more simple, and it's not like an oily balm breaking down your makeup. But yeah, so I'll go in with a makeup remover, remove my eye makeup and my lip product, and then I'll use this to take off my makeup, and then I'll use this one to really cleanse and get any makeup that I can't see but is still on my skin. If you're just taking off your makeup with a makeup wipe, stop it right now. Don't do it anymore, because that's what's causing you to break out. You're not getting nearly, like, makeup wipes just barely scratch the surface of getting your makeup off, so you really want to make sure that you are getting this off. I only do the double cleanse method if I'm wearing makeup. So like today, I'll do the double cleanse method, but tomorrow if I don't wear makeup, I'm only going to do this. I'm not going to do all of it, because sometimes I feel like if I'm not wearing makeup, it can be just a bit too much for my skin. But I'm telling you, if you are a makeup wearer, try the double cleanse method and stop using just makeup wipes to take off your makeup. Okay, so next we're gonna go into body care. I've been loving quite a few body care items. I feel like I've really gotten recently into body care items. I've always used like cleansers and like things for body because I don't just have oily acne prone skin on my face, I have it everywhere. So yeah, I do need something to help kind of counteract that. And I work out every day, so that sweat, you don't want to build it up. So yeah, I've been trying new ones. I normally just use, like before I bought these products, I would just use the Neutrogena. I can't remember, it was like the pink scrub. It was actually for your face, but I wouldn't use it on my body, and that worked great. It never broke me out. I feel like it helped to clear up my skin. It exfoliated really nicely, and it was more gentle, and I really liked it. So if you were looking for a cheaper alternative, I'll try and find that one. I feel like I looked at the reviews on Ulta and they weren't that great, but I really liked it. I don't like their actual body scrubs because I tried one and it did break me out. But the pink one, I want to say it's like the oil-free acne scrub, and it's the pomegranate one. I can't exactly remember, but I'll try and link it down below if you want a cheaper alternative. But if you like me and you want to invest in your skin and your skincare, I've been really loving these. So the first one I'm going to mention is from the First Aid Beauty. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. So this is actually really good for if you have KP. It's like the bumpy textured skin. A lot of people actually have it. I don't really have that, but if you do, you might want to try this out. So I can't really speak to that part if it really helps it, but for me, I really like this one. As you can tell, I've used quite a bit of this product. This is the 4.0 ounce. I think they have a smaller size in case you just want to try it out. But yeah, I've been loving this for just texture on my skin and just for acne and blackheads because, sorry, I hate to say it, it happens, okay? And yeah, I feel like this really helps for exfoliating the skin, but also helping not to get breakouts and helps to really clear up the skin. I only use this once a week. I'm pretty sure it says that you are only supposed to use this one 1 to 2 times a week. Yeah, it says use once or twice a week as tolerated. So if you're going to use this one, it is quite a bit stronger, and it does have AHA, which is a chemical exfoliant too. So you really want to be careful. If you have super sensitive skin, make sure, I would just do a little bit and see how your skin responds. I wouldn't put it everywhere. Just try a little bit, see how it responds, and then go from there. Doesn't have a fragrance really. It just smells like the ingredients. So I wouldn't say it's not artificially fragranted, and it's not perfumey. It just smells like what's in it. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I really do like this one. This one is a little bit more harsh, so that's why I only use it once a week. I normally use it every Sunday just to kind of start off the week. Yeah, this one is a little bit more harsh, so yeah, just make sure to really test it out on your skin just to see how your skin's going to respond before putting it everywhere. But yeah, I've really been liking this one. And when I'm not using this one, I'll use this one. So I like to exfoliate my body 2 to 3 times a week, mostly 2 times, and I really like to exfoliate if I'm going to be shaving. So yeah, if you exfoliate before shaving, it's really going to help with razor bumps and just making the skin a little bit smoother and really softening the hair and the skin so it kind of comes off a little bit easier. But I've really been liking to exfoliate even if I'm not going to shave, I still exfoliate. And we're getting into the colder months, so just really want to exfoliate, get your skin, all that dead skin off. So when I'm not using this one, so like I normally do it like Sundays and Wednesdays, like so start off the week, middle of the week, and then I just use a body wash every other time. So yeah, the other one that I've been using is the NÉCESSAIRE, the body exfoliator, and this is the fragrance free. They do have scented ones. They have sandalwood and eucalyptus if you like those scents. I didn't know if I'd like the scents, so I just got fragrance free. And I put on lotion after I get out of the shower, so it doesn't really matter if it has fragrance. But yeah, I've really been liking this one. I had never heard of this brand, but there was something about it that just intrigued me. And then I feel like once I bought it, I was hearing about it everywhere. So apparently this is a very popular brand. But yeah, I really like this one. It says to use 1 to 2 times a week or as desired. It's a weekly multi-exfoliation treatment for skin health. So this one's definitely not as harsh as this one. And this one comes with 6.1 fluid ounces, so you get a pretty good amount. But this one is more expensive than this one. So yeah, I've really been liking this one. This one, the packaging of it, I really like it. There's just something so clean and simple about it that I just really like. But the only thing that I don't love about this one is it is like the black, it has like black charcoal exfoliating scent, so it can kind of make a mess. But I do like that it's in a squeezy tube. That's kind of why I went for both of these. Is I don't like the body exfoliants that are in a jar. They make such a mess. They get everywhere. And a lot of times they have so much oil in them. I try to stay away from the ones in the jar just because they are so messy. So I like that these are in a tube and you can just squeeze it out onto your loofah or whatever you use and just use it that way instead of having to scoop it out. But yeah, I do really like this one. Yeah, I feel like it's gentle enough that it doesn't break me out or make my skin react. But it's also has enough exfoliating to it that it's really going to get off that dead skin. And this one doesn't make me break out, and it helps to control my breakouts. I wouldn't say it gets rid of them, it just helps to control them. So I've really been liking this one. Maybe next time I'll try one with the fragrance in it, but I do really like the fragrance free. The next thing is a body wash. So obviously I'm not going to exfoliate my body every single day. Just like your face, you don't want to over exfoliate. Just do it 1 to 2 times a week. So yeah, and when I'm not doing that, I'll use a body wash. So this one is also from NÉCESSAIRE. This is the body wash, again, in fragrance free. This is 8.4 fluid ounces, so you do get more than you do with the scrub, but you obviously are using this more than you would the scrub. So this is the multivitamin cleanse, nourish, and balance. The body wash is a daily multivitamin cleanser. I thought it said what it had in it. I'm pretty sure this has niacinamide in it. I could be wrong. I feel like that's like the ingredient of the year, but I'll try and like link or put somewhere of what's in this. But I really like this one because the top you just twist up like that, so you ain't gotta take this top off. You just screw it up and then it'll pour out because it has a little like hole right here. But you just screw it up and then you can just lock it back down and you'll kind of feel it lock. So yeah, I really like the packaging on this. I think it's really pretty. Again, it's just like a nice clean packaging. So yeah, I've really been loving this one. I feel like it's a gentle body wash. Again, let me say it one more time in case you didn't hear me the past 15,000 times I've said it. It doesn't break me out, and that's a really big deal for me. But I really do feel like it helps to really nourish the skin. So yeah, I've really been loving this one. It's just a nice, gentle body wash. Again, if you're wanting to kind of splurge on your body care, I've been loving these. And then the next thing is a hair care product, which, truth be told, I'm not that into hair care. I don't really splurge on my hair or anything like that. But I've seen this, it had really good reviews. I feel like my hair, I have a lot of hair, but I feel like it's a little bit more thin. So it falls out a lot and I don't want that. So this is the Lowe Detox Shampoo. It's for all hair types. I think this is actually newer. I didn't know at the time, but yeah. This is the Been on a dry shampoo binge, time for a detox. This concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil, and impurities. It also helps to remove buildup from styling products or hard water deposits. Leaves hair feeling refreshed and super clean. Here's your fresh restart. See you next week. So I only use this 1 or 2 times a week. I definitely do not use this every single time I wash my hair. This is it's a detox shampoo, so it's a deeper, I don't want to say more harsh because that just sounds bad. It's just gonna really, really, really clean your hair. So if you use dry shampoo a lot, I don't use it because I do wash my hair every single day, which I know you don't have to tell me. I know that's a sin. You shouldn't be washing your hair every single day, but I do. But if you use a lot of dry shampoo, this is really gonna help to get any of that buildup up. If you use a lot of hairspray, hair mousse, anything that you use in your hair and it kind of just builds up over time, this is really going to be your best friend because it's really going to get in there and really clean it. I don't know how to explain it. It just makes my hair feel so clean and soft. Even to the next day, I feel like my hair feels softer than it did when I don't use this. So I've just been loving it. It's really thick. As you can tell, it's a pretty thick shampoo, so you don't need a ton of this. I've had this one for about 2 to 3 months and I've only used this much. This is expensive. It's not a cheap shampoo. It's 10 fluid ounces, but if you really want to detox your hair, as the name suggests, it's a really good product. It is about $30, which is super expensive. I would never spend that on shampoo, but I did. but you're not gonna go through this quickly. It's not gonna be like a shampoo that you're using in your hair every single time you wash it. It smells so good. I don't know what it is about this. There is, I don't know how to explain it. It smells clean and fresh. I don't know, it just smells so good. Like honestly, I can, oh Hannah. It lingers, the smell lingers. It doesn't just like fade right away. I feel like I can still smell it. So if you've been just feeling like your hair just needs a detox, needs that deep clean, or you just got a buildup of product in there, check this out. It's worth the money because you're not gonna go through it, trust me. Okay, so that was all the skincare and body products. I really don't have a ton to talk about. We're gonna go ahead and move on to makeup. I really don't even have, I have two products. Two products, girlfriend, two. So you just sit right tight. We're almost done. Just sit. We're almost done. So the first thing I want to talk about is these KKW lip liners. So I like these. I was a little bit worried to get them because even though I've heard good reviews about them, I feel like a lot of people like the ColourPop lip liners and I don't like them. They're too creamy. They're too emollient. They just slide all over the place. I can't get a good line with them. And I just don't like them. So I was worried these were gonna be like them because they are more of that creamy lip liner type. And I like wooden lip pencils because I feel like I can get a nice sharp line with them. So I have three colors. I have Nude 0, Nude 1, and Nude 0.5. So I'll swatch these. This is Nude 0, Nude 0.5, and Nude 1. Is it Nude 1? Yeah, Nude 1. So I really like these. I feel like even though they are creamy, I can get a nice sharp line with them. They're not so creamy that they just slide all over the place and it's hard to use them. Really great. They're good if you want to fill in your lips completely, if you want to get a nice sharp line, if you're like me and you like to overline your lips to your nose. These will do it for you. They're about the only creamy lip pencil that I actually like. Next thing I want to talk about, and the last thing I want to talk about, is the Smashbox Always On Cream to Matte Lipstick. So I only have two shades in these. I have Just Barely, which is like a pinky peachy nude. And then I have Hoops On, which is like a really deep wine shade. So I actually used Hoops On in my last video. And it's a really pretty shade for fall. And then Just Barely is just a really good nude for me. I like my nudes a little bit more pinky, like a pinky beigey color instead of so peach. So there's the two shades swatch. There's Just Barely and then Hoops On. These lipsticks are so good. Cream to matte, they kind of go on like they're not going to dry down, like they're going to be just a regular lipstick. And then you just pat it in with your finger, give it a few seconds, and it's completely dried down. And it is not going anywhere. I wore that Hoops On. After I filmed that video, I went and ate. And I wore it till like 9 or 10 that night. So it lasted through everything. Through eating, drinking, talking, everything. It lasted through it. I don't even know if I touched it up once. I might have touched it up one time. But I really don't think so. I don't know, but it lasted so well and it was really comfortable on the lips. So if you don't really like liquid lipsticks because they're too drying, but you also want it to last, I would try these out. I've never seen anything like them. They're kind of weird, but I really like them, and they have this teardrop shape to them, so it's really good to get a nice precise line and to get up in your lip line. So yeah, I've really been liking these. I definitely want more shades in these. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my September favorites. I didn't have a ton of them, just a couple products I've really been loving and I really want to talk about. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.